Congratulate the new National Secretary of our great party, Chief Udo Okoye, who has taken office as the National Secretary of our party after the appeal court sacked the impostor and political traitor and political sellout Samuel Anyanyu, who sold his own political party to the opponent. He's remaining Damagum. Samuel Anyanyu is done, and God willing, Damagum will be thrown into the political dustbin. We will not be tired of fighting them. We will not be tired of speaking up against them, because they represent political evil ravaging the country's opposition today. The impunity they have done in all states of the country, especially Rivers and other parts of the country, where they have sold our party to the opposition, to the ruling government, who will retrieve all those chains. On that note, I will salute our very good friend, Fubara, for raising the IGR to 100 billion and running a budget cycle without borrowing. You're a great economic tactician. We are proud of you. Your friends here in Nigeria, we are proud of you.